Hi, my name is Ben Zimmer and I'm the CEO of Enable Education, based in Milton, Ontario. I'd like 90 seconds of your time to discuss workplace integrated learning. Canada recently got some terrible news from the auto industry. In Oshawa, Ontario, where many auto workers raise their families and make a living, the average age is 47. It looks like many of these people will be out of work in a year's time. These men and women need to be retrained, but in a way that leverages their existing manufacturing skills and augments those skills with 21st century technology. This needs to be done in an efficient and accessible way, and it needs to happen now. This story is unfortunately not unique, not across Ontario, Canada, North America, or frankly across the world. The solution is not to prop up manufacturers. The solution is to provide a new kind of training. A company like Enable Education can de-risk technology adoption so that all companies, but in particular those in manufacturing, will be more willing to pursue new and innovative business opportunities. As an example, the Canadian federal government is driving innovation with endeavors like the Advanced Manufacturing Supercluster, and that foresight is critical to everyone's future success. Enable Education provides custom learning solutions at scale by leveraging our own technology. Bolstered by the National Research Council of Canada's IRAP program and R&D tax credits, Enable has thrived as a recipient of this vision, and now we're looking to pay it forward. Together, let's enable the growth of Canada's advanced manufacturing industry. Thank you.